What's up, YouTube? So I got this package today. It's from Chai Battery. So I'm just gonna do a little unboxing here. I also got a new GoPro because the Hero 5 is not very good and it doesn't work with like aftermarket batteries. So I got the 8. People say the 8's pretty solid. And it's pretty cheap and it does the 4K 30 super view. So does everything I want. And I've got like 5 batteries now I can use for it, which is cool. And I still have the Hero 5 I can use, you know, as well. Alright. So, let's see. Hardware kit. Okay. So this is just the extender for the lid. Try to get everything organized here. Okay, so somebody told me that you actually don't need to install this. You can just use, you know, what's in there. But I'm going to see if the battery fits in there without having to do all the crap to get this installed, the base plate. And if it works, then that's cool. So, got some instructions there. I think this is the charger. I ordered the 10 amp, you know, variable charger. There she is. So you can see, you can choose what percentage you want your battery to charge to, 80, 90, 100. And then you can also choose the ampage, so you know, 10, 8, all the way down to 2 amps. So the lower the ampage on the charge, I think, the better it is for your battery. And it's not good for your battery to charge it to 100%, so probably 90 would be better if you're not planning on going for a long ride. These are coming soon. I'm going to do a video on the install for these. Brake levers. Alright. Got the t-shirt. They threw this in for free to thank me for my patience because it took quite a while. So that's cool. I'm still too fat for this. I told them to give me a size smaller so that way I can shrink into it. So I don't know, probably another month or two I'll be able to wear this. Cool. And see if we can do this without getting any of this popcorn shit out of the box. Just cut the shit out of myself. Oh, these are sharp. Ooh, almost. Did I get me? Nope. That's a heavy battery. And mission accomplished. Cool. This is the 72 max, in case you guys were curious. It's 72 volts, 51 amp hours. It does like 30 kilowatts continuous. Much more than that motor can handle, but if I ever decide to upgrade to the KO motor or some future motor, I can do that. So this one's still the V1, I think, where it doesn't have like the aluminum case for it. Damn it. Yeah, let me wash this blood off myself. Alrighty. Cool. 72, 51, that's nice. I think I'll take that lid off and see if I can actually fit this down in there without taking the old base plate off. Yeah, so while I'm pulling that off, maybe I'll get this thing charging here. I can't test it out because my heatsink for the BAC is still at weak coated along with my stock wheels. So I have to wait till I get that back because I don't have the mounts for the BAC. Because I think when you buy it for from Greenlight Engineering and you order the heatsink with it, I'm pretty sure they leave out the hardware to mount it without the heatsink. So I don't have it. We'll do 6 or 6, yeah. I can't really write it. And we'll do 90%. Okay. Cool. Nice. All right, so let's just Jesus, it won't stop bleeding. It's not that deep. Alright, let's see here. So I think we have to loosen these up a bit actually. These screws here. I think they come with some washers. Oh, I'm pretty sure it's these two. This one. Actually, let's just see if it fits in there. stuck on. It kind of starts sliding down really easy and it's just kind of got stuck. Oh, okay. No, it's not gonna fit all the way down with this base plate in here. See, actually, maybe it will. We've got a little bit of wiggle room right here. Let's see here. Let's try to push it over. Yeah. Damn, that sticks out a lot. No, that's not gonna fit. Okay. Oh, we gotta modify that. Oh yeah, it's like tapered right here too, so even if it did get past these, it's not gonna fit all the way down, that's for sure. Okay. So that's a must do, and we'll save that for another video. And I think we'll save that for another video. So I'm gonna call it there, guys. Here she is, finally. 72 volt, 51 amp hour. I'll see you in the install. Bye.